This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, I will show you my Go Scan tool. It can scan sites for open ports, find admin logins, and expose files, directories, and panels. Without wasting any time, open your browser, visit my channel, click the bio, and click the TerraBox link. Then, double-click on Tool Market and click on the Windows Software folder. There, you can find Go Scan. After you find it, check the box and choose the path, or click on Save to TerraBox, and then click on Go to Cloud Drive. Next, select it again and click the Download button. Allow a moment for the download to complete. Then return to your desktop, unzip the file, open the folder, and run the tool. If you face a Windows security pop-up, simply click on More Info and then click Run anyway. Okay, so you will see a cool, easy-to-use interface, and it's small and quick to start up, making it perfect for beginners. Now you can see the scan protocol options, allowing you to choose between auto, HTTP, and HTTPS. You have access to a help section, export and clear buttons, and a startup area where you'll find my social profile links and the main scan dashboard. Now I have the website URLs where we will scan and see what we can find. So, I will copy and paste them here and start the process. I will speed up the video a little bit. Okay, the processing is done. Now you can see the exposed files and some header security info. Let's check from the start to see which ports are open and more. You can also see the admin URL, some panel URLs, subdomains, and the IP address. Also, you can see the scan dashboard where it shows the results by number, making it easy to understand. Now, I will try to open the admin URL to see if it's really a login page, and then I will try the panel URL. Awesome! It successfully found the correct URL. Let's head back to the tool, copy the panel link, and verify if it actually leads to a panel login page. Perfect results, you can see that it found it. Now, maybe I need to see inside the exposed files, so I will copy and paste the link to see what is inside the file. Nothing much, just a user agent which shows disallow, so it's not very useful. Now let's go back to our file, copy the new target link, paste it into our tool, and click on the Start button. I'll go ahead and speed up the video to save some time. The scan is now complete. We didn't find a ton of information, but we did locate another exposed file. If we scroll back a bit, you'll see there are no open ports, only HTTP and HTTPS. Nothing too exciting. Let's copy and paste this link to see what's inside the file. The results weren't anything special this time, but the tool can definitely uncover more, and I hope you find it useful. I hope you enjoyed the video and understood the tutorial. Unfortunately, I lost my previous channel, so your support on this new one really means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more interesting tools.